Sustainable forest management also covers our aims to contribute to the climate change control from the recognition that forests are an effective tool for absorbing and fixing carbon dioxide. JICA is supporting several projects in Central South America or Asian regions to develop capacity in developing countries for them to implement AR-CDM. Here is how AR-CDM projects work. Parties in developed countries, such as private companies or NGOs, provide funding and technical assistance to developing countries to carry out cooperative forestation projects within the developing countries. Once a project clears required criteria, it can be officially registered as a CDM project by the CDM Executive Board under the UN. It then receives carbon credits according to the amount of carbon dioxide absorbed by the planted trees within the project. These credits are distributed among the developing country and the project participants. They can then be sold on the carbon market. The AR-CDM system not only motivates parties in developed countries to act on forestation, but also increases opportunities for local communities through income from carbon credit sales as well as timber and non-timber forest products. In Vietnam, serious deforestation took place between the 1940s and the 1990s. The government has actively pursued AR-CDM as a means to restore the forests as well as to counteract climate change. JICA is supporting the government's efforts by constructing frameworks and by developing the capacity of those involved in the work. Seminars and workshops were held for potential project developers or investors in order to enhance their understanding of AR-CDM. A website was also made to help the provision and exchange of information. JICA supported further skills training for parties in Vietnamese government through actual planning and registration of an AR-CDM pilot project. This led to the completion of project design document of the AR-CDM pilot project to be registered as a CDM project at the CDM Executive Board by the end of March 2009.
山で木をね、長い間管理する人にもそれなりの便益があるような仕組みを作っていかなければ山の環境っていうのは守っていけないということで AR-CDM は非常にいいシステムだと。そのためにも広げるべきシステムだというふうに考えます。植林すべきその裸地とか、草地っていうのはベトナムのみならず他の国でもたくさんあるわけですよ。ですから今回我々の調査で形成した事業がもし実施に移すことができて国連登録できるならば他の似たようなところでもAR-CDM を開発できるということになりますので、どんどん波及していくんじゃないかというふうに期待しております。
AR-CDM will continue to be an effective measure toward global warming control, and also one of the significant measures toward achieving efficient and sustainable forest management.